it landed! It landed! We got a couple of successful loops. I'm proud. Time for level 4. We got this massive ramp and it's time to see if one of these cars will make it over the freaking house. You see that window up there we just replaced? I'm hoping we don't break another one. We got the 3 most capable RC cars for this job. We're starting with this one. Oh!
You didn't hit the window. How are we gonna get it down?
Are you ready?
Sander.
Oh, it's on the roof.
You think you can drive it down and we can try again?
Oh, there it is.
So it's broken.
It's broken. All right, now we got the big boy. It works.
Oh, hey, that did better than I thought.